All right, right now, what I'm about to do is go over my trades for the day. It's March 7th and it's 11:39 Central Time, and I'm done trading for the day. I've taken two trades, and that's it. So right here is my prep. I was pretty much looking to focus in on crude oil and the Russell. I was looking to get some trend trades after 9 a.m. As you can see, Fed Chair Jerome Powell's gonna testify. So I was looking to see some early on this morning, and in the Russell 2000, that's the main thing I was watching. I told myself if price breaks out of the 10 minutes range, look for buys. So here we were today, and boom, we went into stage three right here, and so we broke out. Boom, once we broke out, I was looking for buys. But the thing to notice is, and quickly just learned this lesson in this trade, was this 2100 level. That's a major supply zone, and we came right out of that zone and sold off. So really can't be mad that this first trade didn't work. I was looking for a bullish pullback on the 1 minute. Let me make this bigger. Scroll back. What time was that? Around 9. So boom, we broke out, pulled back to the 50. I was looking for a double test, bullish divergence. We really didn't double test. We kind of got that push up right there, and then once I seen that wick form a hammer, I was in. But if you notice, kind of had that divergence, but price wasn't testing at 8. Like I said, we just came out of that strong supply zone, and then it was light volume. That was a light volume candle, and I mean, price went in my favor for a little bit, but it didn't really respect my entry, so that was a red flag. And we broke down, and I ended up getting out. So that was my first trade. That kind of pissed me off, honestly, just because I kind of knew I didn't want to be long. Then we right up on the R2, and like I said, that 2100 level, that's the level on the daily chart. It's that alert going off in my ear, but I wasn't too upset because if you look, boom, in my plan right here was if price breaks out of the 10-minute range, then we looking for buys. So I was already looking for that, which is why I wasn't so upset. But my next trade, as you can see, was in the Nasdaq. But if you look at my notes, I don't even have a plan up here for the Nasdaq. But I'm gonna tell you why I took the trade. So I got this scanner up here. Boom. If you look at this scanner right here, this scanner is my watch list for all the equities and the futures markets that I trade. And lo and behold, look what's at the top of the list. NQ. It's up now, it's up 1%, but at the time it just kept popping to the top of the list. So I looked to trade what's at the bottom and the top because I'm looking for trend trades. So I'm looking at things, trying to find things that's going up the most and going down the most on the day when it comes to the futures market. And once I peaked, I just kept seeing it pop up on my watch list at the top. It kept taking breaking above the Nasdaq. So I'm like, I mean, the Russell 2000. This was actually first on the list earlier this morning, but it they kept going tick for tack. So some just told me to peek at the Nasdaq, and this probably gonna make me start watching more than just two markets during the day because I almost missed this setup. But I really didn't even look at the higher time frames. The only thing I looked at was the 10 minute, and just off watching the futures markets, I know the Nasdaq has pretty much been trading kind of at new highs. So that was already gave me a bullish bias. And then when I came and looked at the 10 minute, I seen we went into four. Boom, went into stage one here. Boom, we went into stage one. And then boom, when I come and look at the chart, I'm seeing we in the impulse phase of stage two. So I'm already bullish. And just based off of study, I know that price likes to come test these moving averages and keep bouncing. So on my 1 minute, I'm looking for entries at that point. And so we come up here to R2. I got us in the stage two. We looking at the 1 minute chart. Come up to R2. Boom. Get a strong sell off. We test previous resistance and a 50. So if you look here, horizontal line, this was previous resistance. We broke out with strength. MACD kind of went to a new high. Rate of change went up. Pulled back right to that level. Boom. Hammer. Moved away. Came, tested that same level. And we got bullish divergence. So if you look and see, boom, bam, MACD going up, double test, bullish divergence. My plan is to go long on a close above structure. So boom, breakout candle with breakout volume, and look at the difference between this setup and the last one I just showed. We got divergence, clean structure holding above the 50, and we got um, a bullish candle accompanied with volume. So I'm in right there, and the trade ends up working. First hit the first TP, and then the second TP at 4 to 1, and trade still going up. Probably should have had left a runner on for a little longer, but hey, 2 to 1 and 4 to 1 is cool with me. And the lesson for the day, I would say, is make sure you trading the right things. Just off pretty much trading something that was really moving. That's how I got this set up. So I need to do a better job at getting my eyes on the right charts and staying alert to potential setups. And man, that's it for this day. This is my review of my day trade. Took one loss, took one winner, went home green. Good risk management, and that's it for today. If y'all, wanna hit me up, trade live with me, come join the chat room. Hit me in the comments, or if not, just keep watching. I'm gonna drop some how-to videos real soon. Drop the website again, and we're gonna stay active. I'll see y'all on the next one.